In this video, we're going to unlock one of the most requested features in Roblox, voice chat. If you've ever wanted to actually talk with your friends in-game instead of typing, this guide will show you exactly how to turn it on step by step. Step 1. Check the requirements. Before you start, make sure you meet these 4 conditions. You must 1. Be 13 years or older. 2. Have a verified email and phone number on your Roblox account. 3. Have a government-issued ID such as a passport, national ID, or driver's license. 4. Have a working microphone on your device. If you're missing even one of these, voice chat won't activate, so make sure you're fully set. Step 2. Enable voice chat. Once you're ready, follow these steps carefully. 1. Open Roblox and click the gear icon in the top right corner. 2. Choose Settings. Click the Privacy tab. 4. Scroll down until you see voice chat. 5. Toggle Enable voice chat to on. 6. If Roblox asks for age verification, follow the prompts, upload your ID, and take a quick selfie for verification. After verification is complete, restart Roblox. Voice chat should now be active. Step 3. Use voice chat. In-game now for the fun part. Join a voice chat enabled game. You'll know it by the microphone icon next to its title. Once inside, you'll see a microphone icon above your avatar's head. Press the / key, Chacos, or the microphone button to talk with other players. You're now officially using voice chat in Roblox. Troubleshooting and tips. If voice chat isn't working, make sure your ID shows verified in your Roblox settings. Check that microphone permissions are enabled on your device. Remember, not every Roblox game supports voice chat, so make sure the one you're joining does. That's how to turn on voice chat in Roblox step by step. Now you can team up, strategize, and talk with friends just like in real life. If this guide helped you, subscribe to the channel for more Roblox tips and tutorials.